Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're making ONUGBU soup, bitter leaf soup, but we are going to be using oatmeal for our thickener. So this is my stock water. I just brought that to a boil, and then I'll be adding my banga extract. So this banga extract, like I've extracted all the palm oil inside, and that's the one remaining. Yes, because I don't want excess oil. Then I'll just add that to the stock water. Then I'll add my pepper mix. So my pepper mix is a mixture of ogiri and scotch bonnet. So you can add your ogiri directly to the pot. I don't know, but I decided to blend mine together. So I added salt and seasoning cube. Then I'll just add my stockfish. Then I'll add my smoked mackerel fish, and I'll cover and allow it cook, or rather boil. So I'll be using white oats, Quaker oats. So this is an alternative for cocoyam or chai. You can use white oat as a thickener for your ONUGBU, even oha soup and okazi. Yes. So I'll just mix this with water. Yeah, for those of us living in Diaspora and it's difficult for us to get cocoyam, I don't know, if you're in Diaspora you can relate to this. Yes, you get cocoyam. It's by an opportunity. Yes, it's by chance. So I just added my oats flour to my plate, added water, mixed together. So with my strainer I'll just sift this so it comes out smooth. I don't want like any lump. At this point I'm satisfied, there are no lumps, it's very smooth. Now I'll just add my thickener, my oats flour, and I'll just give that a quick stir. Yes, don't be scared if you see any lump, it will dissolve. So you can see. You see, oatmeal is a very good substitute and a good alternative to cocoyam or chai. So I added my crayfish powder, and then I'll add my properly washed bitter leaf. So I added half of it, and I'll add the rest later. Now I'm going to go in my protein, my roasted turkey and roasted beef. Then I'll just give it a quick stir. Now I'll add the rest of the bitter leaf, and then I'll just stir to combine. You can see everything, it's coming together, like it's all done. I'll just cover this and allow it simmer for like 3 to 5 minutes. And so after 5 minutes our soup is ready. Now look at that. Looking at this, you can already tell it's delicious, it's tasty, it's yummy. And if I didn't tell you I didn't use cocoyam or chai for this, you wouldn't know. So let me know what you think and if you'll be trying out this recipe. Bye.